we're live.
All right, hello. It's Carole Baskin and Lisa Spencer Novak here at Big Cat Rescue, and I just want to assure you I just have a head cold, but I don't want to share my cold germs with anybody, so that's why
singing through your
I'm
nose.
masked. Yeah, I'm gonna hope to get through the songs okay. Should be fine. I'll sip some water in between, and it'll be fine. So it's a nice sunny day here, a little bit windy, but not too cold, so
78.
kind of ideal. So we're actually going to do 2 cats today. We're going to build up to the big event here. So we're going to start with
If we can find her.
Lovey Bobcat, because she did have a birthday. So we'll start with her, and I'm going to very carefully, look at me. I did it. Give you a view of the sanctuary as we drive. Hello, Barbara. Hello, Daniel.
There you go.
Hello, Pat. And Deb is out there, of course.
Oh, I forgot to let them know we were going live. Good thing they know when Singing Sunday is.
Deb is on it, you know,
Indeed.
I have to say. Cyrus is out there. You can see him. He likes to hide back there. And I got the most amazing gift today from Brittany. It made me cry. This beautiful painting of Jinx.
Oh,
Yeah, it's very special.
who painted it?
The name of the artist is on the back, and now I can't remember what his name was, but I'm definitely
medicine
going
will do
to
that.
reach out to him and say thank you, thank you. Yeah. All right, we have arrived at Miss Lovey, so I'm going to.
There she is. Right there.
Yeah, oh, there she is. I'm going to pass this off to
Perfect.
Carole and get this set up.
Maybe if she sees we're staying on our side of the barricade, she'll stay where she is because she's very cute. She's very cute.
All right, how about right here? You've got a good view of her?
I got a great view of her. So far, she's not running.
All right. Hi, Lovey girl. So, Lovey, this is from Susan. Your friend Susan suggested this song.
Say, I love Susan.
So this is for you from her.
You're gonna love it, Lovey.
We're getting there, Lovey. Don't worry. We're getting there. We have to take this down a little bit here. He's a good girl. All right. Can you hear me? Are we good? We're good.
Yes.
So Susan Ford is one of our master keepers, our senior keepers, and she supports Lovey, and she had suggested this to me. So this is for Susan and Lovey. I could hide neath the wings of the bluebird as she sings. The 6 o'clock alarm would never ring, but it rings and I rise, wipe the sleep out of my eyes. The shaving razor's cold and it stings. Cheer up, Lovey Bob, oh, what can it mean to us? a daydream believer and a homecoming queen. You once thought of me as a white knight on a steed. Now you know how happy I can be, and the good times start and end without $1 to spend. But how much, baby, do we really need? Cheer up, Lovey Bob. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, Lovey Bob. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, Lovey Bob. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen? Cheer up, Lovey Bob. Oh, what can it mean to a daydream believer and a homecoming queen?
Well, that look on her face just says people are weird.
She says, I'll tolerate whatever this is you're doing, but
As long as you don't get any closer with it.
I don't know what it's all about. All right, so we're going to put the keyboard away for the next cat. Do they know anything about this?
I don't know. Can
All right.
anybody guess who the next cat is going to
We
be?
have a very special occasion today, a very special cat. And this was actually suggested to me by Deb, that we are going to try to sing to Winter today because she's the only bobcat out there. That's the reason that that's possible. If there were obviously other rehabs out there, we would not be going back there with microphones and people and promotion. So anyway, we'll see how it goes.
And for people who don't know, Winter Bobcat is now going to be probably, for sure, a permanent resident here. She's been here for over a year. They have not been able to cure her FLM or whatever it is that's causing her neurological issue. And she's just not a candidate for a release. So we're trying to get her more accustomed to being around people and feel more comfortable with her keepers. And so we've started talking to her and reading to her and now singing to her to help that along. But because of the FLM, if that's what it is, nobody knows what causes it or how to cure it. And so she's in rehab in the cage that she's been in since she got here. And we can't let her into any of our other enclosures where cats might frequent it or where she might be within breathing distance of them. So we don't want to transfer that, and that's why she's way back where she is.
All right. So I'm excited about this. I think I've been out to rehab one other time on a project where there were no cats in there and we were just mowing and pulling weeds and that kind of thing. So exciting. So there's different levels of keepers here, and the level that I'm at is not to be trained to do bobcat rehab yet. So, and we're coming up. I'm going to try to show you. We have some enrichment being passed out right now. And that could be either a sickle, it smells, it's probably a spice bag. She tends to like that more than, yep, that's a spice bag back there. I don't know if we can see it. Probably not. Say hello, everybody.
That was way too many people.
So enrichment is usually in the form either of sickles, or it could be a spice bag or a perfume tube, or loose spice. Oh, I'm sorry, or loose spice. So yeah, different cats respond to different things. Some of them really, really like sickles. Some of them really, really like spice bags. So you get that variety. And just so you know, if you're new to watching us, a sickle is not a popsicle like you or I would eat. They're either blood sickles or sometimes tuna, or could be chicken, could have rabbit bits in it, so different variety of flavors. And now we are going past Tiger Lake, heading up, and there's Duchess. Duchess looks like is getting some compliment.
She's very excited about that. Maybe we'll stop and let you film that a bit.
Yeah. Oh, good girl.
Good job. Follow the command. Nice
Excellent
work.
girl. Oh, she did a nice down. So what that was, operant conditioning is using treats. It's positive reinforcement for desired behaviors. So it's mainly for the care of the cats, so that if we need them to go into lockout and not be stressed about it, or if we need to see them walk, or we need to see them go down and then stand up again to see, how everything is working, their legs and their back and so forth. So that's what was happening there, and Duchess was a champ. She did a beautiful down. She went right to lockout, so she did a great job. And again, operant is only done by the level of keeper who is trained to work with that cat. So tigers are not at my level. I'm a yellow keeper. So green and navy would be the level for tigers. Now we're going back into uncharted territory. For me, anyway.
We just went through the ugly underbelly of the sanctuary.
Yeah, Carole knows where she's going. I like it though, it's kind of wild.
You might explain why it's way back here.
So this is where we're headed, is Bobcat Rehab, and we want it far removed from the other cats, because the idea is for the bobcats who are being rehabbed to, whoa, that one tried to take me out, that they do not get used to the sound of people or golf carts or radios or other, tigers, which don't live out in Florida in the wild. They would not be encountering, so.
Except after a hurricane.
Yeah, true. Oh dear. This is so pretty back here though. So this is going to be an adventure, everybody.
Probably gonna have to, well, I was hoping I could drive through there, but I
Oh,
can't.
right. All right, we're getting there. That's a nice view of a fence right now, sorry. Take it up to the sky. There we go. It's a little cloudy today, but not too cold, so we'll take it.
Good luck finding her.
Yeah, so I'm
Out
gonna
here yesterday, 2 days ago, I could not find her.
I'm gonna let Carole be in charge of the camera, and I'm just gonna kind of follow her as I sing. See what we.
These enclosures are 4,200 square feet. They're, I think, 20 feet wide and, 220 feet long. They're built in 3 different sections, a small, medium, and large section. And this is the large section. She's not in that den. The thing about bobcats is they're amazing, and you can be right next to them and not even see them. Let me know if you see her, Lisa.
I chose this song for. You'll be able to tell why. I know there's gotta be rain if I want the rainbows. I know the higher I climb, the harder the wind blows. I've gone to sleep night after night, punching a pillow. But do you know the darker the sky, the brighter the stars glow? 'Cause I am resilient, through flower moment. Don't let the concrete hold me back. No, I am resilient, born to be brilliant. You'll see me grow. You're gonna watch me grow right through the cracks. I've got to shed off the skin and let the sun in, pull out all the weeds and focus my vision. There's no mistakes, just bends and breaks. But do you know the hotter the fire, the purer the gold is? 'Cause I am resilient, though flower moment. Don't let the concrete hold me back. No,
There she goes.
to be brilliant, you'll see me grow right through the cracks.
Well, that was a perfect song. I'm surprised she went running from us. I thought she was getting pretty accustomed to people.
Maybe this is news.
I think singing might be new still, too. Well, rather than terrorize her, I'm going to go around the other way. All right. Well, thank you.
Thank you, everybody. So,
Hope you're feeling better soon.
yeah, me too. But yeah, next week we're gonna do Billy for his birthday.
Wonderful.
And maybe go early next week, and we can have that. We might have to push it before 2:00 next week. So we will be sure and let you know. I'm sure Deb will be there about posting that. So, all right, have a perfectly awesome week.
Thank you, everyone.